If Whitney wrote a decimal representation for the first 300 positive integer multiples of 5, so the numbers that we have in the set are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and it's going so on. We have to write 300 positive multiples of 5, so the last number will be 300 times 5, which is 1500. And she did not write any other number, that means we have 300 numbers. Then how many times would she have written the digit 5? Right, so see, the digit 5 will come sometimes at unit place, sometimes in tens place, sometimes in hundred place, and never at thousands place, because we have to write the numbers till 1500, and the thousands place will never be a 5. So at the unit place, let's quickly see that how many numbers will have the unit place 5. So we have 300 numbers, and you see that every odd multiple of 5 will have the unit digit coming as 5. So we have 300 numbers, and half of them will be the odd multiples of 5, and all the odd multiples of 5 will have unit digit coming as 5. So 150 times 5 has been used in all the odd multiples of 5 at the unit place. Now the second step here is to calculate that how many times the tens place has been occupied by a digit 5. Now when the tens place is 5 out of these 4 places, then we have to find out that in how many such numbers are possible. But now there is a question that we can make either 2-digit numbers or 3-digit numbers or the 4-digit number as well. So let's quickly count all the single digit, all the 2-digit and 3-digit numbers first. That means when 5 is fixed here, then the unit place can have only two possible values, either 0 or 5, so it can be filled in two ways. Now this particular place, that means the hundreds place, can take any value from 0 to 9. So when we fill it with 0, then it will be a 2-digit number. When we have any digit other than 0 here, then it will be a 3-digit number. So this place can be filled in 10 ways. And this way we are only considering 2-digit and 3-digit number. Within this case, let us also consider a case where we are getting a 4-digit number. But now when we have the 4-digit number, then the leftmost place can be filled by only one digit, and that is 1, right? While this place can be filled by 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, because we have to find the numbers which are less than or equal to 1500, right? So right now we are considering the cases where the tens digit is definitely 5. So the leftmost place can be filled in one way, the next place will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 5 other digits, while the unit place can be filled in two ways. So 5 into 2, we have 10 numbers here, and 10 into 2, we have 20 numbers here. That means the tens digit 5 will be available in 30 numbers in the given range amongst the 300 multiples of 5. So 30 times 5 has been used at the tens place. Now the third question is to quickly find out that how many numbers will have the hundreds place 5. So when 5 comes at the hundreds place, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 places, and this place has to be filled by 5. So certainly we can make only one 4-digit number when the leftmost place is 1 and the remaining places are 5, 0 and 0, because this is the only number that we can count, so there is only one such number. But now let's quickly count all the 3-digit numbers that can be made using 5 at the hundreds place. So the unit place can be filled in only two ways, either 0 or 5 can come here, so two ways. But now this place can be filled in by all the digits from 0 to 9, so there are 10 ways to fill this place. That means we will have 20 numbers like this. So far the numbers that we have been able to arrive at are 150, 300, 150, 30, 20 and 1. So the total numbers that we get, total times the digit 5 has been used, will be equal to 150 plus 30 plus 20 plus 1, and that becomes 201. So that's what becomes our answer, E option, that 201 times Whitney will write digit 5 while writing all the 300 multiples of 5 starting from 5. I hope that was helpful, and that was very methodical and a strategic method to answer this question. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much.